Hey everybody, we are in Korea, South Korea. This is the city is called Jeongbu. So basically, what Korea looks like is you got a whole bunch of mountains everywhere around you, and then you have these buildings like this. And I'll zoom in here for you guys. So you've got all these big buildings that have tons of advertisement on them. And oh my gosh, the amount of restaurants is unbelievable. Like you literally can just walk around town and eat everywhere. So like across the street, those are more like those are more like businesses right there. See how all these business names are on there? So we're about 40 minutes from Seoul. Seoul, we're about 40 minutes away. And I went to Seoul the first day, and I'll be going back and filming it for you guys this weekend. I'll probably be there Friday and Saturday. So I'll fill you guys in on what it's like here in Korea and like the culture of the people and everything. The people here are like so friendly. It's unbelievable how friendly these people are. Like I'm talking so friendly where it's such a different culture shock to me. Like people will literally like walk you to what you're looking for. Like they'll walk like 10 blocks just to bring you to where you're looking for. They're so polite. And the biggest thing, now this store over here, this is called Home Plus. So this is a very popular local place for the locals because you can buy a lot of, things that you need, like, you can buy your groceries there, things like that. So today what we're actually looking for is we took the wrong power cord for our laptop computer. So I only have about 20% left. So we're gonna go ahead and look for a power pack for this laptop to charge it. Now their electrical outlets here are different than in the US. So your United States power outlets will not work in their outlets. So you have to get an adapter. So I'll fill you in on some other things. Let's see, tipping. Let's talk about tipping. That was crazy different. With tipping, the way that tipping works, there is no tipping. So like, guys, trust me, at first you feel bad about it, like you feel like, well, how do they make their money? Like I'm talking waitresses, I'm talking taxi car drivers, you name it, there is no tip, like zero tip. You eat at a restaurant, you have a waiter or a waitress, you don't give them anything. All I've been doing is taking Ubers everywhere, and every single time it's just the cost of the ride, and that's it. There is no tip. Same thing with your food. So culture here does not want tips. I've tried, and they actually turn you down, and they won't do it. So that's what happens is you get really used to that of no tips. So once you start getting used to it, you're like, this is awesome. I wish America was like that. Because, in America, it's already expensive as it is. And the culture here is just really cool. I absolutely love it here in Korea. So everything is going good so far with the K-pop group setup. I'll probably film a little bit of that for you. Looks like they're working on a new suite that they're getting ready. So you got people over here working on the side. Is it okay? She didn't want to be filmed. So like they got little food. Okay, now another thing too that's interesting. Now also too, all of the businesses, they've got all their banks inside of there. They've got food inside there. I mean, it's really cool. They have a lot of markets and stuff like that you can go to, but everything is like out on the street all the time. And there's always people out, and like the weekends are crazy. So what else that I can fill you guys in on? So, ooh, this actually looks like this could be a store for us to get our power cord. So I'll come back and check that out. Let me think what else I want to tell you about Korea. Just different, man. You know, even like when you're in your hotel room and stuff like that. And I got a sweet deal on a hotel room. Oh my God, guys, it's so cheap. Like, you could literally live here in your hotel room, never have to pay electric bill, never have to pay water bill, never have to pay cable bill, you know, the internet, and they clean your room for you. And guys, it would cost you, like, now it's more expensive in South Korea than other Asian countries, okay? I do want to let you know that. It's not very cheap in South Korea compared to other Asian countries. Like if you go to like the Philippines, or you go to Vietnam, or you go to Thailand, those are going to be the Asian countries where it's a lot cheaper and affordable. South Korea is not one of those countries, okay? It's very expensive for the South Korean people, especially if you want to be in Seoul. If you're in Seoul, it's super, super expensive. But to give you an idea, when you eat lunch here at a restaurant here, it's going to cost you about $12, $13 of American dollars. You can get a little cheaper if you want to, but I'm talking like a good quality lunch would cost you that. Another thing that's interesting here in South Korea, they are not morning people. You are looking at traffic at 9 o'clock. They literally do not even start until like 8:30 or 9 o'clock. The restaurants and all of the businesses and stuff, they don't even open, most of them, until 10 o'clock in the morning. So it's a very unusual, you know, where you don't see a lot of production in the morning. So, how you doing, man? But yeah, it's pretty cool, man. There's a mountain way up there. So I have already found, you know, some of my favorite places to go. Like, guys, they have this ice cream. It's like shaved ice cream. It's almost like iced coconut or something, but it's not coconut. But there's this dessert, and it's like they have this bean topping. Oh my God! I thought it was like, at first I didn't even want to try it because I was like, who eats ice cream and beans? Oh my God! I'm so addicted to it. It's so good. So when I get back home in the States, I'll have to go to a Korean place that has that ice cream. See, but this is how it is, man. Like everywhere you go, man, there's signs and buildings like this everywhere. You know, so like I said, this is about 30 minutes, 35 minutes from Seoul. So it was the perfect place for me to stay because the company that I'm going to be, so basically what I'm doing with this company is I'm giving them a percentage of royalties for the new K-pop group because they already have a big dance studio, and their main dancer is the one that I'm here for, where we offered her a contract, and I met her parents and all that good stuff. So I'm also bringing the teacher in on the deal because she can help me so much. You know, she has a dance facility here. The only thing that sucks is she doesn't speak English, so I have to pay for translators all the time. But I did meet on the first day. I met such a great girl. Oh my God, this girl's awesome. And I met her at the very first day at the airport, and she's hung out with me so much. We go to restaurants, we go to places, and she speaks perfect English. And I basically pay her sometimes to translate for me and stuff like that. And she's such a good connection for me to have here, so I can pay her to do like errands and stuff for me when I go back to the States. So, all right, guys, that's going to be for the first video right here. Just a little. I'll keep filming for you guys and uploading these videos for you guys, okay? But yeah, I'm having a great time, man. I wish, to be honest with you guys, I don't even really want to go back home. I would love to just stay here in Korea, but I got some things that I need to do back home. I'll go back home and I'll probably just come right back. All right, guys, take care.